we will send parachutes on the guns of the forces. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes. Get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we're continuing to celebrate the 24 days of Knifemas by opening up this Boker Plus Advent Calendar. And today is December 9th. So let's go ahead and open up the box for number 9. There we go. Let's pop this open real quick. There we go. All right, what do we get today? Today, we are getting another bolster. So let's bring our previous over here. And here is one bolster. Here is 2 bolsters. We have our Boker Plus Exploded Parts Diagram Signature Neck Gaiter. We have our Boker Challenge Coin with some good weight to it. Some instructions, some hardware. One of the blades, I think there might be 2 in this. I do not know. And there you go. So thank you for spending this time here with me today as I return this box. Right here. There you go. Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And in 15 days, we are going to have a knife day.
We will send parachutes on the guns of the forces. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute.